Anticipated prices in some major.
The following is a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
Update. A dangerous person alert has been issued by Buskies/Montreal Lake RCMP after reports of two male suspects reported to be armed with a firearm on Montreal Lake Cremation. One injury has been reported to police. Suspect number one is 29-year-old Justice Bird. He's described as wearing a wide ball cap and black and white clothes. We're working to definitively confirm the second suspect's identity and description. Both males were last seen on foot in the area of House 713 on Montreal Lake Cremation. Residents are asked to shelter in place. Stay inside and lock doors and windows. Do not approach the suspects. Report emergencies or tips to 911. Additional alert information is on this escape or at www.